Well, let me tell you something. Some people are just like this plant I'm shooting right now. Do nothing exciting with their lives. They just sit there and vegetate. Vegetate. And do simply nothing. But I like to go further. Some people call me crazy. Some people say it's stupid. But I just love this. And this is pure excitement for me. People will think I'm crazy, but I'm not. Just check this out. This is so freaking exciting. Woohoo, baby, here I come. Yeah. Woo. Baby. Come on, give me a smoky one. Give me a smoky one. Oh, fuck. Yeah, I could see the smoke. Yeah. That's me, folks.